That's okay, Ismael. I'm just joking. Ismael, can you help me? Can you do your hand like this? And like this. And then... Oh. And so, hold on. Let's take this. And one more, Ismael. Grab it like this. Shake it. And put it here. Huh? Of course! Okay, Ismael, one more. Grab it like this. Shake it. And put it here. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, Ismael. So everybody can see, make it slow. Like this. Shake it. And put it here. No more? One more. Here. No more? Only two? I think there's more. Let me see your hand, smile. Ah! Found it. It's here. Ooh. Then there's one more here. Ooh. One, two, three. How many now? Four. Ah, wait. There's one more here. Ah, there. One more. Ah. Wait. Smile. Put like this. And then let's take it out. Okay. One, two. Okay, let me count up. Sorry. One, two, three, four, five. How many now? Six. Okay, smile. Look at them. You say, there. Smile. One more. Can you do like this? One more. Up. Okay. Let me count. One more. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. How many now? Eight. Okay, now. Smile. Can you hold this one? Okay, now smile so there will be no point inside your body. Like this and take it out. Here. Here we go. Let's take it out. Yeah. Okay, smile. I think there's one more. There's one more. I think I found it. Ah, there. Wait. Big one. Okay, smile. Let's put it down. And then there's one more. One more here. Everybody come here for Ismael! Smile, high five. Okay, Ismael, thank you. Okay, we go.